Go for it. All right. All right. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kara Hannes.
And I'm her husband, Kitty Hannes.
Well, we gotta start over. We have a great new recipe we're doing for you today. Kenny, you want to tell them what it is?
Well, we're going to be making some Tzatziki sauce, which is kind of like a kefir replacement, but you can make it with kefir or with a probiotic yogurt like this, which is Bulgarian yogurt.
So based on what you use as your base, you can really use it as like a dressing, but you can also use it as a dip. So today we're going to make a version that will be dip because we're going to use the yogurt, which will be a little bit more thicker of a consistency than if we use kefir.
Yes. And so I guess I should probably explain why we do this. So I was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis in 2014. I've been in clinical remission since 2016. And so a lot of the things that really helped me improve and my digestive health improve was the inclusion of probiotic foods, prebiotic foods, exercise, and clean water. And so kefir is a really incredible probiotic food that played a large role in allowing me to improve my health. So kefir is very prominently featured in my bootcamp series and in my online course, Biome. However, consuming plain kefir every day can get kind of boring. So if you want a little bit of a different play on kefir, you can add or make tzatziki instead and get more of a garlicky, zesty flavor.
Mediterranean flavor,
Yeah.
if you will, Middle Eastern flavor. Yeah, so that's why we're making it today, so we hope that you will enjoy it too.
Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
But first, really quick, I want to talk to you about the sponsor of this video, Let's Get Checked. Let's Get Checked provides home testing kits that measure many different biomarkers, such as hormones and certain inflammatory markers, that can help you gain insight and formulate a decent picture of your overall health. I love being able to self-quantify my health data because the more I know about my health, the more actionable steps I can take to improve my health. I have a vested interest in my hormonal health because my testosterone levels tanked down to 75 nanograms per deciliter in 2015, several months after being diagnosed with ulcerative colitis in 2014. So I chose the male hormone complete test from Let's Get Checked to see where my testosterone, cortisol, and other hormones and biomarkers are currently at. It was really simple. Let's Get Checked ships the testing kit straight to your home and includes very simple collection instructions. Once you mail the testing kit back and it arrives in the lab, you can expect to get the results back in your secure online account in 2 to 5 days. It was lightning fast for me. I mailed my test on Friday afternoon and got my results back on Sunday morning. But anyway, your test results are reviewed by a physician, and if you have low hormone levels, a nurse will contact you for a consultation over the phone and advise you on what you can do about it. So, if you want to test your hormone levels and other biomarkers without having to leave your home, click this link below and enter the code HANNES30 at checkout to receive a 30% discount off of your purchase.
So our first thing we're gonna add is our base. Okay, so we have our yogurt base. Our next thing we're gonna do is
A small cucumber.
Cucumber.
All right, so we're gonna peel this bad boy. Is it grating or grating?
Grate.
Grate.
Grating.
Grating.
Grate.
Okay. And now we're going to add that to the yogurt. Boom.
All right, our next thing we're gonna do is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna eyeball this tablespoon.
Nice. Heck yeah.
Well, a tablespoon and a half, but. Okay, so you're gonna do half a lemon squeezed.
Okay, the next thing, garlic. I love garlic. Okay, so this is the minced garlic, and it's going in. Probably mince it a little bit more fine than that.
Okay, so now that we finally have the garlic in, we're going to use, we have fresh dill. We made this recipe before and we used dried dill because we couldn't find fresh dill and it was delish. But we're gonna use fresh dill today. So you just get this at your store and we're gonna do a tablespoon of fresh chopped dill. So we'll do that.
Or I could also use that dill.
It's not a big deal to me. you're like us and you like dried dill weed, you can use that too.
I like dried dill
It's
weed.
not a big deal, you can use either one. Alright, so now we have our 1 heaping tablespoon of dill. After you put the dill in there, give me that. Okay. You're gonna do the next ingredient, which is
1/8 black pepper to taste. Alright, so I'm just gonna do this to taste, about 1/8 of a tablespoon. That looks good to me.
that's for sure.
Salt. 1/4 teaspoon.
Okay, now you have all of your elements in your bowl and it looks like this. Okay?
Nice.
So you're gonna take it and we're gonna do the stir. It's really strong. It's good. It's a,
All of my taste sensors just went off.
I think it's a 9 to 10 out of 10 for me. Okay. Great dip.
I love fermented foods. I really just love the taste of it. So, I like the taste of fermented foods. Call me crazy.
Call me crazy. Bon appetit. Bink, bink.
And that's your recipe. And it goes really good with, for me, I like to put it on meats, potatoes, really anything. So I like to make a big crock pot with like beef and potatoes and rice and all kinds of stuff. And this adds a really nice, flavorful, zesty, lemony and garlicky punch.
All while getting your probiotics.
All while getting your probiotics. And I think it tastes delicious. It adds a lot of flavor. Really good probiotic alternative. So if you're getting tired of kefir on the Biome protocol, this is a great alternative and or substitute and just something to change things up. And you can make with yogurt or milk.
Alright, hey team, thanks so much for tuning in today. Couple things I wanted to tell you about. First, what did I want to tell them about?
Like, subscribe.
Like the video, subscribe to the channel, do it if you're cool. That way when we come out with new videos, you can know about it. The other thing that I wanted to tell you about is we so cherish your reviews and we read through every single one. So if you have the ability to leave a Google review, we are on the Google.
That will be the first comment below the video.
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind leaving a review, that would mean the world to us, and that way we can
just click on that link, fill out a review. If we ever done anything that has been educational, informative, or has been helpful to you, that would be really awesome. We'd really, really appreciate you leaving that review.
And we love to hear your feedback. Thanks, guys. Let's see. Should have put this as your screensaver.
See if it is a screensaver.
Now, check for the lemon. Is it the lemon skin or is it the lemon itself?
It's just the lemon juice. You don't want to check the screensaver?
I wish you had set your screensaver.
That's going in.